Dreaming of a higher credit score? Imagine the possibilities. Lower interest rates on loans, easier loan approvals, and even better rental opportunities. Sounds good, right? Today, we're going to reveal proven strategies to boost your credit score quickly and potentially reach that coveted 800 plus range in as little as 30 days. A good credit score is like a golden ticket to a better financial future. It opens doors to lower interest rates on mortgages, car loans, and credit cards. It can even impact your insurance premiums and rental applications. In this video, I'll share the insider secrets to improving your credit score fast and effectively. Many people struggle with low credit scores. Late payments, high credit card balances, and even a few missed payments can significantly impact your creditworthiness. This can lead to higher interest rates, difficulty getting approved for loans, and even impact your ability to rent an apartment. But don't worry, it's not impossible to improve your credit score. Let's dive deep into the key factors that determine your credit score. Payment history. This is the most crucial factor. Making on-time payments on all your credit accounts, credit cards, loans, rent, is absolutely essential. Credit utilization. This refers to the amount of credit you're using compared to your available credit limit. Aim for a credit utilization rate below 30%. For example, if you have a $1,000 credit limit, try to keep your balance below $300. Credit age. The longer your credit history, the better. This includes the age of your oldest credit account and the average age of all your accounts. Credit mix. Having a diverse mix of credit accounts, credit cards, loans, mortgages can positively impact your score. New credit. Limit the number of hard inquiries on your credit report. Each time a lender pulls your credit report, it can slightly lower your score. Now, let's talk about how to improve each of these factors. To improve your payment history, set up automatic payments for all your bills. Use a calendar or planner to track payment due dates. To lower your credit utilization, pay down high-interest credit card balances as quickly as possible. Consider making multiple smaller payments throughout the month instead of one large payment at the end. To diversify your credit mix, if you only have credit cards, consider applying for a small personal loan. To minimize hard inquiries, only apply for credit when absolutely necessary. To monitor your credit report, regularly review your credit report for any errors or inaccuracies. You can obtain a free credit report from each of the major credit bureaus annually. While there's no magic bullet, by implementing these strategies consistently, you can significantly improve your credit score over time. Remember, building good credit takes time and patience. Celebrate small victories and stay motivated on your journey to financial freedom. A strong credit score is a valuable asset that can open doors to countless opportunities. By taking proactive steps to improve your credit, you're investing in your financial future. What are your credit score improvement goals? Share your tips and experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more financial tips and hit that notification bell.